So how Jenkins install? Is it installed in everyone's system, or somebody is facing any problem?
Actually, I'm not getting logging into Jenkins.
Okay. Okay. Shravanti is facing issue, and is any other also facing the issue?
No, I couldn't able to do
Okay. So you are able to do, Ashwini.
it. Yeah.
Mm-hmm. Okay. Others?
Even I am able to do it.
Okay. 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 It's
But
fine.
I have one doubt.
Okay.
So the form.xml which we have given was pointing to your local system.
Yeah.
Similarly, I have created a form.xml in my local system and gave that path.
Mm-hmm.
Ideally, we are supposed to take the form.xml from the
Correct.
repository.
Correct. Did you try giving that?
No, from the repository, I didn't take it.
Okay.
I have given in from my local. So what
Okay.
I need to do is I have to pull that code and give that XML, right? Pull the
Yeah.
code
Yes.
and give that XML.
Yes.
Okay,
Yes.
I
Yes.
will try that today.
Yeah. Okay. Fine. You can try. Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. Fine. So Sojina, you also can help Shravanti
Sure.
to do the setup. Okay.
Sure, I will.
Yeah. If that is not resolving, then I will help Shravanti. Okay. Shravanti, can you share your screen?
Yes.
So Shravanti will share the screen. Okay. So is the screen visible to everyone?
Yes.
Yeah. Okay.
Yes.
Fine. Shravanti, can you open Google and try to type download MySQL?
MySQL download, right?
Mm-hmm. So now we are going to do the setup of MySQL to learn a database and then to learn basic queries. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
So once the installation is happening, we will discuss why we need MySQL, why we need database, everything.
So which one I choose?
Yeah, click on that.
Okay.
You scroll down slowly. Slowly, do you see somewhere archive? Yeah, you can see here my news archive.
Yeah.
Click on that. Okay. And then do you see something installer, archives, installer?
Install archives.
Okay, no. Go back. I will give you a URL. Okay. I will give you a URL. Okay.
Okay.
Down 1 minute. I'm just bringing the URL. Okay, in the chat.
Okay.
Chat. Okay. Can are you able to get this URL?
Yeah. Yes.
Okay. Now I made you again host. You can open this URL and share your screen.
So I have to open this URL in Chrome or directly.
Yeah, you can copy and open Chrome and share your screen. Okay, fine. We see your screen now. Okay. So this is the URL. So everyone can copy the URL. Okay. However, I will send in the email as well. Okay. So now So now can you select the version 8.0.28? We will take the standard one.
Where? 8 sir?
There is a drop down, right? The product version, if you see. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. You select. Yeah. Yes. Okay. And then you can click on a download for MSI. Install community, installer web community. Yeah. MySQL installer community 8.0.MSI we are having, right? Yeah. No, next one.
This one?
Yeah. Click on download. Okay. So everyone following, right?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay. Okay. So it will take some time to download. Meanwhile, we will discuss about database. See, why we need first of all database? Because, for example, whatever action we are doing from the front end. When I say front end, what it is?
Whatever we can see. The
Exactly. Okay. So now assume you are doing a registration. You are testing registration form. Okay. You are filling first name. You are filling last name, email address, phone number, all the things you are filling, and you are doing register now. When you do register now, after a few seconds, you will be getting message like registration successful. Yes or no?
Yeah.
And then you will also get sometimes a reference number.
Okay.
For your future reference, this reference number will be. So why? How you are getting this? How you are getting this registration successful message and reference number?
Data is stored somewhere. Our
See,
data is
now whenever you are doing registration, an API is there. Yes or no? In between, there is someone is between taking this registration, this information, and going to the database and placing this. Means it is creating a new record in the database. Because this registration means you are creating the first time account. Yes or no?
Yeah.
When you are creating first time the Gmail account, you are doing registration, right? Sign up, you are doing, create account, you are doing. Till that, your
Yes.
information is not available in Gmail database. But once you sign up, your information is stored in Gmail. How it is stored? Means you are creating an account, this information is sent to the database, and then it is saving in the database, and then only your email ID is created. So next time, whenever you log in with your email ID and password, it is recognizing. How it is recognizing? Because the information is already available in database. You agree?
Yeah.
Yeah.
So first, when we create, there will be an API in between front end and back end, front end and database, which the API takes the information and go to the database and save the information in the database. Okay. Because if there is no database, then you can't save. Where you will save? For each and everything, database is required.
Yeah.
Okay. Because database is used to save the information. Okay. So now, if there is no database, then you can't save the information. See, for example, in your mobile also, if you want to save some information, you want some memory, right? To save the information. Sometimes you will get memory full. Then what you will do? You will delete some existing things. Means you will free up the database. You will free up the memory. So memory in mobile is nothing but it is a free database where you will be saving some information. In the same way, whenever you are working some applications, every application will have one database where you can save the information. So now what you want to check in database is whatever information you are sending from the front end, is it saving as it is in database or not? We have to check. For example, while filling the form, I'm giving first name and then I'm giving last name. I'm giving age, I'm giving phone number, contact details, email address, everything, and clicking on submit. Now after submission, I will go to the database and I will also check. Even in database, they'll create a table with the columns, first name, last name, email address, phone number, age, everything. I will check whatever information I'm sending from the front end is going and saving in the back end also in the same columns. For example, I'm filling first name as Anis. It is going and saving in the database as last name. It is not correct, right? Because
Yeah.
whenever I try to get the data, my last name will be shown as Anis. That is not correct. So we have to cross verify that whatever information we are sending is saving as it is. Okay. Clear?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. So database is very, very important. Okay. So you will also do some actions in the front end and go in the database and check whether the actions are saved properly or not. Clear? Now, Shravanti, can you open that installer which has been downloaded?
Okay.
So now we are going to install this. Okay. So we are going to learn MySQL, and the database queries are. So what we will do after installation, we will create a database, we will create some tables, okay, and then we will insert some data and then retrieve some data. We will create some new data, and we will see how in which ways we can get the different type of data. Okay. This is very, very important. Even in interview, they may ask some basic questions on SQL. To continue receiving product catalog updates, you must apply the upgrade. You can click on no. Okay, now you click on next. So we will do all the default installation. We will not do any customization. Okay. Wait, execute. You have to click on execute. So wherever you see execute button, first you have to click on execute. Then only you have to click on next. Okay.
Okay.
Next. So you can provide
Using the
credentials. So you can give root generally for
routing
database
is
with root ROOT root.
okay.
So 1 minute, this is credentials provided in server configuration. Okay, you give root, you will see. Are you missed between one
Both are
step?
root, password
Yeah,
I'm using.
yes. So you will not forget. Click on check. No. No, you cancel. No, it's not correct. You cancel the installation and do again. No. Okay, again you launch. You don't be fast, huh? You go slowly, huh?
Okay. So, I want to
Go to downloads and double click on the download. Okay, let it. Every window we will read the information and then we will do the action. Okay.
Yeah.
Wait.
It has to be yes, right? No?
To continue receiving catalog updates, you must apply and
This upgrade, do you want to
when
apply this
installer
upgrade?
upgrade available. Do you want to apply this upgrade? No, you do. No. We'll try. No. We
Okay.
don't want upgrade. So here, wait. Let it. It's loading, right?
No, there is nothing.
Catalog here, something you can see.
Only catalog is there.
SQL install.
Add for upgrade and then.
Same thing. You don't see.
Yeah.
Okay, connect. Okay, we will try to do upgrade and see this time. No. Wait.
Okay. Sorry.
Let's read the information. Huh?
Okay.
None of the product have upgrades available. If you believe this is wrong, you can use the catalog button. Okay. To check the product catalog updates. Okay, click on catalog button. Okay. Catalog, you see, catalog is there. is click, yeah. Okay, wait. The product catalog was last checked. Okay, fine. So now you click on execute.
Directly,
You click on execute. You click on no. We will try.
okay.
You click on next. Wait. When done receiving the changes, most recent. Using the page, you can see update to the product catalog on what changes. No, go back. Not come finish. You clicked on execute here, right? Already.
Yeah.
Unable to update the product catalog because of a upgrade was postponed by the user. Okay. Go click on execute once again. This time we'll try to update and see. Click on yes. We will see what happens. Wait. It will come. Okay. Now click on next. Okay. Everything is selected, right? Using the wizard, you will be
Yes,
able
yes.
to
All are selected.
upgrade your installation products. Just select products to upgrade. Select products to upgrade. But there is no button to next, right? Actually, it is no, because we know we need a standard version only 8.0.28. Come on. Click on back. Thank you for downloading with the wizard. You will be the wizard. Okay, go back. Sorry,
Go
you
back.
can close this window. We don't need to exit. Okay. You can close this also, and once again you open. Else we will take the latest one only if this is not working. Setup products upgrade. Okay, thank you for done. Asking to upgrade only. Okay, click on next. It is not allowing to install old version. Next.
There's no next highlighting here.
Can you select? I can just select. Click on one.
On this?
Yeah, on a connector /J. You can click on that. It's not allowing.
Okay.
You select. You say. So you okay. You uncheck everything. We'll see what happens because already it's selected, but it's not allowing us to click on next. Click on everything. We'll see. No, now you select again. Once again, you select. All right, it's not allowing.
No.
Even are you able, you are unable to click on that another
This
place, right? Row. No,
here?
no
No,
connector.
sir. There's no.
Okay, fine. Then we will take one more version. Huh? You can close
Okay.
and you can take the latest version. We will see.
Okay.
You go to the product version drop down.
Where? Okay.
Product version drop down and take the 8.0.32.
3.2.
Click on the download. Yeah. Because now I think the installation steps has changed. Because I know this installation is difficult, so only I asked you someone to share the screen.
Okay.
Let's wait for the installation download to complete and then we'll try.
Okay. Can I open it now?
Wait, no, it's still. Yeah, now you can open. Why it is coming always like this? Can everyone try? Everyone are getting the same window. Can others also try? Just access the URL. Okay. Windows can be run at a time. Only one instance, but there is.
I have to delete the previous version in my only one instance of my SQL installer for Windows.
But where is the other instance? We have not opened, right? Okay, click on
yes.
OK.
Okay.
Click on cancel. Go to task manager. Yes.
Why is
Wait. Okay.
Oh, sorry.
Okay, fine. Can you go to task manager? Is installed?
Where?
Right click next to zoom. You can see the icon, zoom icon. Right click. No, next to zoom. Just right click.
Okay.
Yeah, right click. Go to task manager. So now we are trying to see if some process are open. Maximize. Then see SQL. Something is opened SQL. No, right?
No.
No, yeah, SQL is not open. Can you go to see program files and see if something?
There's only two, right?
Correct, fine. No, not downloads.
Mm-hmm.
Can you go to see program files?
Okay.
Can you see something folder for SQL? No, right, there is nothing.
No.
Correct, but there is no instance.
Yes.
Can you go to program files x86 as well to see?
Yeah.
x86 here also see one.
There is one.
Okay, fine. Can you go to control panel and program files?
Okay.
Can you open control panel? Yeah. Now we want to install uninstall. If you see programs, uninstall a program. Yeah, and check if MySQL is there.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so it has installed. Okay, you can. It has installed. You can select and uninstall everything. We will install once again.
These three.
All related to MySQL. Yeah.
Okay.
You just select that, right click or uninstall now. Yeah. Right click and uninstall. This is the way where we can uninstall the installed programs. Okay. You can just uninstall everything. Okay. Which
Yeah.
is related to MySQL. See, in future also, whenever you are facing some problems, you have to uninstall. You can go to control panel and then uninstall the installed programs. Okay. Even though after you uninstall from control panel, we should go and remove the folders also from C program files. That is very important. Okay. Because the uninstallation will not remove all the files from your local system. You have to go to C program files and then remove that folder. Can you go to C program files? Where we saw MySQL, it was in x86 only, right? Yeah. If you see, if it is still available,
No.
it's not available, right? If it is available, we have to remove that folder also. Okay. Now,
Okay.
can you go back and launch that new installer which you have downloaded? Go to downloads. Yeah. Double click slowly. Don't be fast.
Okay.
We have to read the instructions and then we have to follow. Yeah. Okay. This is the one. Okay. So everyone take this version. Okay. The version is 8.0.32. Okay. So from here we can have you can follow the recording. Okay. So now click on next. Next.
Okay.
You don't do any action. We will read the whole things and then we will. Okay.
Okay. I will do whenever you say.
Okay. Okay. Now you click on. Don't click next. Huh? Click on execute.
Execute.
Yeah.
No need of select any of these.
No. It will automatically do.
Okay.
First time you missed this step that was causing the
Yes.
problem. First you clicked on next so that already installation happened. You click on agree and click on install. Wait. Okay.
Oh.
Click on next. See, whenever you see.
Okay. Yes.
No.
No.
Products. Wait. One or more products requirements have not been satisfied. These products with missing requirements will not be installed or upgrade. Do you want to continue? Yes, you tell.
Yes.
Execute. See, everyone, while installing, you should be very careful. Huh? Whenever you see execute, first, see, whenever you are installing any application, first you read and then you do the action. Okay. Blindly don't click on next. Okay. So whenever there is some execute button, we have to click on execute and wait till the execution happens. Okay. And then only we have to click on next. It will take some 2-3 minutes. Okay. So does already anyone know already idea for database how to do some basic queries?
Queries. Like insert, select.
Yeah. Okay. So we will look into some queries also. Okay.
Okay.
So click on next.
Mhm.
Next. 1 minute. Type of network. Okay. Click on next. So it is 3306 port. Okay. Click on next.
Okay.
Your strong password encryption recommend. Okay. Next. So here you can set your password. So your default, your username will be root ROOT. Okay. So you can set the password also same root ROOT. So the password and the username is same, which is root ROOT. Click on next. 1 minute, and create MySQL user account for your user of the application. Okay. Okay, click on next.
Mhm.
Okay, click on next. Next. Execute. Yeah. We are into the last step. Huh? Finish. Configuration complete, ready to configure. Okay. Next. Next. Finish. Next. Enter the password. Root. Check. Next. Connection successful. Okay.
Okay.
Execute. Finish. Next. Okay. Okay. Finish. Fine. So now the installation is completed. Okay.
Mhm.
This is MySQL workbench. Okay. You can close this window. We will open again. Okay.
Fine. Okay.
Okay. You can close this also.
Okay.
Okay. You can close the other window also. Whatever windows are open, taskbar, everything you can close.
Mhm.
Even you can close this one. So you will take a, see, you can try 8.0.29 or 8. We will take directly the latest 8.0.32 version. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Now, can you go to search and type MySQL? Okay. You can see workbench. Okay. When you type MySQL, you can see workbench, right? You click on that. Okay. Here, when you go here, now
Okay.
everyone after installation, you will see this screen. Now here below, you can see local instance
Yes.
MySQL connections, right? Click on that. So enter
Yes.
the password. Click on OK. So now it is connected to your database. Okay.
Okay.
From here, I will share my screen and then I will explain. Okay. So till here, everyone can do by seeing this video. Okay. Fine, right? So we have done the installation. I will share my screen and then I will explain you. Let me know once you're able to see my screen.
Yeah.
Yes.
So I'm going searching my SQL and opening the workbench. Okay. So now first what we want, our workbench is launching. Okay. So everyone are receiving the videos, right?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay. My workbench is started. Okay. So after what I have to do, I have to click on this local instance. So when I click on this, it will go on connect, and then we can see all the database, whatever I have created earlier. Because you people have not created any database, you don't see any existing database. Okay. Okay, fine. So now here, fine. Don't save. Okay. So here, if you see, I'm having multiple databases. Okay. Clear? So first of all, I would like to create a new database. Shravanti, you are also able to see the same screen, right? But with empty, right?
Yes. Yes.
You can see something like this, right? Database, create a new SQL tab, execution, or you can see right click, file, new model, new database, new schema, and say database, connection to database, connect to database, manage connection to database. We have to create a new database, create a new table. Okay, this is create a new view active, open SQL script, create a new schema in the connected. Okay, so right. Create a schema, reference, database, connect to database, manage connections. Okay, fine. So now first what we will do, we'll create a database. Okay, so what you do when you are starting, okay, you can directly click on this SQL. You can see this image, right, Shravanti?
Yes.
SQL. When you
Yes.
click on this, you are able to see this same window, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, okay. So now here, so you people also have to directly click here, and then this space will open. So this is the space where we write all our commands. Okay, so now first what we have to do, we have to create a database. We don't have
Yeah.
database, right?
Yeah.
First time,
Yeah.
whenever we are doing a setup in our project also, first the database will be created. Okay, how to create a database? So we are having some queries which we will be executing that. Okay, so we want to tell to create a database. So it is like create database, and then I can give the name of the database. For example, India. Okay, I'm giving just some name. So I'm creating a database. Okay, so at the end of the every statement you have to give semicolon. Okay, and then you can select this and click on execute. Okay, so now here you don't see the name India morning batch database name. Okay, I'm executing, and then I can refresh all. See, Here it has created. Yes or no?
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, but you can see here, this is highlighted in black color, but this is in normal. This is
Yes.
highlighted in bold, right?
Mm.
Because
Yes.
it indicates that this database is in use currently. Okay.
Mhm.
So whatever actions you do, it will be pointing to this database. But I want to use this database, right? Yes or no? So
Yes.
now for that we have to tell use. So whenever you want to use some database, you have to give that data use and database name. Then if I execute this command, then you can see that India morning batch will be highlighted. Yes or no?
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay. So now means whatever actions you do, it will point to this database. Is that clear?
Yeah.
These two statements.
Yes.
Yeah. Now, very good. Now next, see, we created a database by calling a command create database and the name of the database. And now we are pointing to that database, whatever we have created. Now, see, there are no tables. Tables are empty.
Okay.
There is no tables because this is a new database which we created. Okay. There is no tables.
Mhm.
We have to create some tables also. Why tables? Because the data, whatever we trying to insert will be inside the table only. Okay.
Okay.
In a database, there can have multiple tables. For example, you'll be having table for contact information. You'll be having table for created accounts. You'll be having a table for products. You'll be having table for some other users. You'll have different tables. Okay. So who will create table? You don't want to worry. Okay, there will be backend team who will take care everything. Okay.
Mhm.
See, in development team will be having front end developers and back end developers. Yes or no? Front
Yeah.
end developers will be working on UI, whatever
Yeah.
we see. Back end developers will be working on APIs. They'll be working on database. Okay, they will create the database, and they will create the APIs also to which database, which table it has to point everything. Okay. So now we are going to create a table inside a database. How to create a table? Simple. It is a create table. Okay.
Mhm.
And then we have to give some name of the table. Okay. Name of the table we have to give. So we can give any name. For example, I will give students information. Okay.
Mhm.
Now this is students information. Fine. But what information of students you want to save? This is the table. But a table can't be blank. A table should have some columns, right?
Yes.
Yeah.
So what information of the students you want?
ID,
For
name.
example, I want like first name. Okay. When I
Mhm.
first name, if you all remember, assume this is a student information form. Okay. In the front end, in the UI. Whenever you open that, you'll be having a form with, or it is a registration page. You'll have first name, you'll have last name,
Yeah.
you have age, you have location, everything. It's an ID number. It's a
Yeah.
no.
Yeah.
Now, for example, you are having a field, first name field. For that first name field, there will be some requirement, right? What should be minimum characters? What should be maximum characters? What it has to accept? Yes or no?
Yeah.
Yeah.
So they'll be giving that also in the backend. Okay. Like, for example, how many characters it has to accept maximum? I'm giving varchar 20 means it can accept 0 to 20 characters. Okay. It is a
Mhm.
characters. It can accept characters. Okay. I'm telling varchar 20 means it will accept how many characters?
20.
20.
So in the table, I'm going to create a column name, first name, and then I am telling that it has to accept 20 characters. Okay. Next, for example, ID number. So ID number will be normal numbers or integers. It will be
Integer.
characters or numbers.
Integer.
Numbers. Numbers.
So I can give int 5. Okay. Because it is not a character. Characters means one word. So no. A,
Yes.
B, C. These are the characters. And then, for example, location. Location will be int or varchar.
Varchar.
I'm giving some 50. So whatever you want, you can give. Okay. Age is int. Okay.
Hmm.
Okay. So now what I am trying to do is I am trying to create a table.
Create
Here
a
there is no
table.
table. Okay. Where I'm trying to create a table, I'm trying to create a table in this database.
Data.
For example, if you want to change the database, simple. You can again run use. For example, I want now to point to weekend badge. Okay.
Okay.
So I can give use, and then I can give the name of the database. If I give something like this, now what happens? It will point to that. See, this is highlighted. Yes or no?
Okay.
Now, if you execute this query, this table will be not created inside this. The table will be created here. Okay.
Okay.
Getting my point.
Yeah.
But we don't want to create inside this. We want to create inside this database. So we have to make it use and then go and select. See why I'm selecting when there is only one query, no need to select because I'm having multiple queries here. So I want to select which query I want to execute. Okay.
Okay.
If there is only one query, no need to select. For example, I'm having only this query. Assume I'm having only this query. Okay. I'm just removing all this. I'm having only this query. Okay. In that case, I can directly go and execute. Okay. But when I'm having more than one query, I have to tell which query it has to execute. Else it will execute all the queries. Okay. Clear, right?
Yes.
Yeah.
Very good. Now I will go and select and then click on execute. So when I do, it is throwing some error. Okay, because I am not using this. Fine. I'm selecting this, execute. It is create the table, affected 2 warnings. Refresh all. If you see here, table is created or not?
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay. Now if I open this table, you can see columns. First name column, ID number, location, age. These are the things which we created.
Mhm.
You agree?
Yeah.
Yes or no?
Yes.
So now what we have done, we have created the table. Okay.
Okay.
For example, you want to see what the table contains. For example, okay, now nothing contains. Okay, you want to see the description of the table, means how many columns are there. Okay, and what is the length of each column, how it is designed. In that case, you can just run a command, description of students information. Okay, so by this it will give you the description of that. See, it is telling me these are the columns and this is the type of the column. Okay,
Okay.
clear, right? What is the use of this description? Means you can see how the table has been designed, what are the columns, what are the type of the column. Okay, very good. So now we have created a table, but the table is empty. We need to insert some records, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
So how to insert?
Insert.
Simple. We are telling insert into which table?
Student
Students information, and what the student information contains, and then we have to give a values. Okay. Okay. And first, what is the first column name? For example, I will give student 1. Okay, next, what is the next one? It is ID number. For example, I will give some ID number. I will give 100 or 111. This is the ID number. And next, it is a location. For example, I will give. And then you can give age. For example, I'm giving 20. See, here, this is a character string, yes or no?
Yes.
Yeah.
So we are giving in single quotes, but this is a int, so we should not give in single quotes. Okay, this is string, this is int, so we should not give in single quotes. Okay, clear? So now we are trying insert this where in the table. So before that, before inserting, I will try to get the information of the table. Okay, I'm trying to get the information of the table. How to get? Simple. Select star from and the table name. When I do select star means I'm telling select everything from this table. I'm telling select means display me everything from the table. Now when I run this command, what happens?
It shows the information of the student.
No. Students information, table information. Okay.
Yeah.
As of now, the table is empty, or is there any information?
Empty.
Empty.
Student 2.
See, there is empty, no data. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Because still we have not inserted this record. Okay.
Mhm.
So the command to give you the information of the table is select star from students information. Star is every time when you see star, it is like regular expression. It will give all the data. Okay. Select star from whatever table you want, you can give the table. When if you want to create one more table, then you can run this command by giving different table name and different type. Okay, different column names, everything. Okay, so now I will insert this record. Everyone are following, right?
Yes.
Rajini, Sridevi,
Yes.
Farhana,
Yes, sir.
Saujanya,
Yes, sir. Yes.
Ruchika. Yeah, very good. Fine. So now I am trying to insert this record into the table. I will just select that and click on execute. Then you can see insert into student table successful, affected one row. Very good. Now I can go and run this command directly. Yes or no? Previously it was returning me empty table. Now will it return empty table?
No.
See, it is giving one because I have installed that. Okay. Now in the same way I will install some students. Okay, multiple students information I will just install. So already I have given student 1. I will make that student 2. I'm just randomly giving. Okay.
Yeah.
Sorry, here ID number, right? I'm just giving some numbers now. Okay, fine. Now if I insert, I want to select this and click on execute. When I execute, it will be inserting all the rows. Okay. Now if I go and run this, see, I'm getting much data. Yes or no?
Yeah.
This is how we will insert the
Values to a table.
very good. So till now what we did, we created a database. We pointed to that database and then we created a table and we have inserted the data in the table. So this insert is nothing but whenever you are filling some form, registration form. Okay.
Okay.
Assume you're having a registration form. Example. So here I'm having a registration form. Yes or no? What you will do, you'll fill all the information. Yes or no? And then you click on submit. When you click on submit, this information is taken by the API and sent to the database to create a new registration. Yes or no?
Yeah.
Then the developer, the backend developer will return a code in such a way that take the first name from the API and save that in the first name column. Okay. Take the last name, save in the last name column. Take the address, save in the address column. Email. You are getting it. They will map in such a way. Okay.
Mhm.
For example, my developer has done mistake. He has done take the first name from the API and save it in the last name in the database. Then whatever first name you give and save, it will be saving in the last name in the database. Because you
Yes.
have to check that the mapping of the database is provided correctly or not. Okay. Clear?
Yeah.
Very good. So now here, for example, Now you know how to insert. Insert is nothing but creation. What? See, whenever you create a new registration means you are inserting a new record. Because here we are inserting directly from the database. We are running the queries and inserting. But the same query will be executed when you fill this form and click on submit.
Okay.
Okay, so what happens? It will take these values, whatever you have entered, and it will form a query. Insert first name and the value. Insert last name and the value. Insert address. This is how they form. And then it will go and execute the same query. They will build this query automatically based on the information, whatever you have entered. Okay.
Yeah.
Fine. Now we inserted the data. So now whenever you are giving select star from students information, it will return whole data. Yes or no?
Yes.
But I don't want whole data. I want to see only first name of the students. So then I can select, I will write a command, select. Now I don't give first star. If I give star, it will return me whole thing. I will give first name. I'm giving the column name from students information. So now when I give like this, what happens? It will give me only the first name. See? Because I am not asking it to give all the information. So it will not give me the whole information. I'm asking only give me first name alone. Okay. So it will return me only first name. Now assume I want first name and location. Then I can give the location also, right?
Yeah.
Whenever you are giving, you have to give the exact. Okay. So what is location? Location is like this. I can give like this. So now this time it will return both first name and
Location.
see, Sana.
Yes.
Yeah.
So now you are telling, okay, I want age of student 3. You want age of?
Student 3.
See, if I want first name and age, then we can run like this. So it will return the first name and age of everyone. But I want age of only student 3. Then what is my requirement?
Age of student.
Age of student name. So then generally you think, you tell how we will write, because I want to select what I want.
Age.
Age, very good. So I will write select age.
Age.
From where you want?
Student 3.
Student 3.
From student information table. Okay. From student information table. What
Where?
age you want? You want age of everyone, or see, if I run like this, it will give me the age of everyone. Yes or no?
Yeah.
All the students which are available in the table. Okay. But I don't want age of everyone. I want age of only
Student 3.
in that case, I will tell select age from students information.
Okay.
Where first name, what? Where?
Name.
First name is equal to student 3. Is it clear? So I'm writing a condition here. This is a condition. What is my condition? I'm telling, give me the age from this table where the first name is student 3. Is that clear?
Yes.
So this is called condition. Okay. So now 28 should return. See?
Yes.
Why it is written 28? Because we are telling condition. Okay.
Yeah.
So assume you want one more condition you want to add. You want first name student and location also you want. Okay. Can you and location is equal to Mumbai. You are giving like this. Okay. Means you are passing multiple conditions here. Yes or no?
Yes.
Yeah.
This is ampersand sign. I mean, this is and condition. Okay.
Okay.
So in condition you have and, or also we are having. So this is for and. Now, so this condition is satisfying, right? For example, here if I give first name is student and Hyderabad as my location. Okay. So actually student 3 belongs to
Mumbai.
Mumbai. Okay. If I give like this, so if I give like this, I'm having Hyderabad belongs to student 1. Yes or no?
Yes.
Okay. Now what I'm trying to do, I'm trying to call a query student 3 and his location is Hyderabad. Is this correct?
No.
No.
Because I'm using and condition. Yes or no?
Yes.
I'm telling
Yeah.
student 3 and he is from location Hyderabad. That we will see what happens. It is not returning anything because this condition is not satisfying any record in the database. Yes or no?
Yes.
Yeah.
Stuff. And
Okay.
if I give or what?
Or
Or I'm telling, give me the age of student name
3.
3, student first name as student 3, or location of Hyderabad. Then what is expected if I execute? Can anybody guess?
Either one.
See,
No.
then it has to return me the age of student 3.
And
Also,
also
Either
the
location from
student from Hyderabad.
son, no, see,
Okay.
clear?
Yeah.
Because or this is or, right? Yes or no? Or means it can give us both. It will give us both. And means once the condition is satisfying, then only it will give. Okay, clear?
Yeah.
These are the conditions and or. Okay, you know when you have to use and when you have to use or.
Yes.
Yeah, very good. Now, so for example, you want for example, write one more query. Here we are passing one value only. Yes or no?
Yes.
Yeah.
If I want to pass two first names, what I want to pass?
2 first names.
Or I want to get the first name. So I will write one more query. Select first name from, till now no confusion, right?
Yes.
No.
Where for example I will give location is equal to, for example I'm giving Delhi. Okay, now if I run this, it will give me the first name of the student who is it? Location Delhi. Okay, now I want Delhi and Chennai both. What I want?
Delhi and
Then what I can do? I can put comma and then I can write Chennai. Because it is comma. Okay, we can't run like this. What we have to do? We have to put in a bracket. Okay, clear?
Okay.
Whenever we are putting in bracket, we can't use equals. It's telling, see, error. It is giving error. Operation should not contain. Okay. So whenever you are using two values, we can't use equals. Equals means only one, right? Yes or no?
Yeah.
So we have to use in what?
In.
So we are telling select first name from student information table where location in Delhi and Chennai. Okay, is that clear? Now it is giving both. So whenever you are using multiple values, you should not use equals. You should use in. Okay.
In.
Equals means exactly one. Okay. Fine. So now here I am having students information. Where I'm having it. For example, I want to see. Can we update the information?
Yeah.
Till now we were trying to get the information. Shall we try to update?
Yes.
Yeah.
So select means it will select and give us the result. Okay. Now I want to update. It is update. What I want to update? I want to update this table. Update this table. What you want to update? For example, if I give set ID num is equal to 500. What I am telling?
Was updating ID number to 500.
I am telling update this table with ID number as 500. So now if I execute, what happens?
Calculates all IDs with 500.
See,
We are
here I'm not giving any
mentioned.
condition. Yes or no?
Yes.
If I give condition, then it will go and update the specific. But here I forgot to give the conditions. And if I execute this, then again if I retrieve, so it's updating everything. Yes or no?
Yes.
Yeah.
Because I have not given condition. I'm giving update this table with this ID means it will go and update all the information, all the students' information. Okay.
Mhm.
But I don't want this. Then I will write update students information set id num is equal to 405 where first name, okay, is equal to student 4 I will give, okay. So now what I am doing, I am giving update the ID as 405 for this student, okay.
Mhm.
So when this update happened, for example, now you are a registered user. Now your phone number has changed. Then what you will do? You will go and update your information, right? Yes or no?
Yes.
Whenever you are updating, this type of queries will be calling, okay? It will be giving the new value for which user ID, okay? So it has updated. If I go and run, see, 105. Is that clear?
Yeah.
Yes.
So this is for update, okay? Even you can alter. You can
Alter.
alter. For example, I will insert one more record with student 5 and I will give IDS 300. I will give Bangalore. But the student name is same, right?
Yes.
No, I will give same student name. So I'm having two students with the same name. I'm having student 2, student 2. Okay? With Delhi and Bangalore. Okay? Now, for example, whenever I give, I will be getting the same duplicates, right? I mean, I'm having duplicates, okay? For example. Now I want, whenever I'm running this select star from this table, I will get all the information. Yes or no?
Yes.
But I don't want, I don't want to give me duplicate information, okay?
Okay.
I want only one information of this student, okay? I don't want duplicate. In that case, I can give distinct. What?
Distinct.
Select. For example, if I give select first name from,
Student information.
means it will give me only the first names. Yes or no?
Yes.
Here there is duplicate first names. Student 2 is 2 times because there are 2 locations. Yes or no? I created 2 records for
Yes.
student with same student name, but I don't want these duplicate names. Then what I have to do? I have to do select distinct. What?
Distinct.
Select distinct means give me unique. Okay. Distinct first name from student information. See, now it will remove the duplicate. Yes or no?
Yes.
Yeah, very good. So now, clear, right, till now?
I have question here.
Mhm.
It will remove then which one because there are two, right?
No, see, it doesn't matter. It is not removing. It is just giving you. That's it. See, still when you do select star from, still it remains.
Yeah.
Whenever you are doing this, it is just reporting us. That's it. It is giving us the information. That's it.
Okay.
It is giving. It's not deleting from the table. It is getting that information and filtering that duplicate and giving us the result. That's it.
Okay.
Okay, because it's just showing us. this select star just to show us, okay? Because still we have not deleted, we have not altered the table, okay? So now, for example, select age from. So now it will give me the age. Okay. Now, for example, I want this age to be in ascending order. What?
Ascending order.
What is meant by ascending order?
By increasing one
We
to
will see ascending and descending. Okay. For example, I want arrange this age in ascending order. Okay. Then I can do simply ASC.
Yeah.
Okay. And also I have to tell, for example, I will give, for example, I'm giving this select star. When I give this, we can see everything information. Okay. Now, if I give select star, so here you can see first is Hyderabad, Delhi, Mumbai, Punjab, Chennai, Bangalore. This is not in any ascending order, yes or no?
Yeah.
I can give select star from table name, and you want assigning on which column?
Location.
Age.
Order by, okay, I'm giving order by location. See, yes or no? See, now it has become, right?
Yeah.
Before student 1 was top, where he was Hyderabad, then student 2 Delhi, okay, then student 3 Mumbai. Now it is coming in ascending order. Yes or no?
Yes.
So, for example, by default, it is giving me which order?
Ascending.
If I want descending, then I have to give like this. By default, it is in ascending order. Ascending. Okay, descending means first Punjab will come. See, reverse. Yes or no?
Yeah.
If you specifically want to give in ascending order, by default it will give ascending order, or if you want, you can specify also ascending order. Okay, clear? Okay, we will stop the class here. Okay.
Yeah.
We will continue this tomorrow. Okay,
Okay.
fine. So
Yeah.
now when you are coming tomorrow, everyone has to do the installation and then just do some exercise on this basic. Okay, clear, right?
Yes.
Yes.
Yeah. Okay, then fine. Thank you all. Bye. Have a nice day.
Thank you.